Hey, DefinitelyOwen here, coming to you with a video answering questions about our planet, the blue planet, the beautiful Earth. So, first question, why is it dark at night? And that's because the Earth is facing away from the sun and into the darkness of space. It's pretty simple. But then that raises the question of why space itself is dark. Scientists have pondered this question for centuries and have failed to get a good answer. This is because although starlight gets fainter with distance, a bit of maths shows us that this is exactly cancelled out by the fact that the further away we look, the more stars we see. This means that space really should be ablaze with light. And as we can all obviously tell, space isn't ablaze with light, so obviously something's wrong. What exactly was wrong only became clear when astronomers realised the universe was created in the Big Bang rather than being here forever. Because the universe has only been around for a certain time, the stars haven't had enough time to fill the universe with their light. Meanwhile, the expansion of the universe weakens and stretches what little light there is. Therefore, space will remain forever cold and dark. So question number 2, why don't we feel the Earth spinning? At the latitude of Britain, where I am now, the ground under my feet is moving at around 600 miles per hour. Now those speeds aren't really reached by carnival rides that are spinning you round. However, in those you feel the movement. Now this is because we only feel motion through accelerations and decelerations. For example, when you're travelling in a car, the only two times you really feel forces acting on you is when you're accelerating and when you're decelerating, and when you turn a corner. Standing on the Earth, yes, our speed is pretty high, but the speed remains constant, therefore we don't feel any motion. And yes, the direction of the Earth does change, but it does so slowly that we don't notice it. Final question today is, why is the sky blue? Many people think it's because the sky is reflecting the blue of the sea. However, this is wrong. The real explanation is that sunlight is made up of many different colours, the colours of the rainbow, and each colour represents a wavelength of light, with red being the longest and violet being the shortest. While red light can glide over tiny particles in its path, blue and violet light have more energy and are seriously affected by them. Our atmosphere is packed with these particles in the form of nitrogen and oxygen molecules. These particles scatter the blue-violet part of the sun's light all over the sky. And if you add in the fact that our eyes are more sensitive to blue light than violet light, that is why the sky is blue. Well, thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you learned something and I hope you enjoyed it. Feel free to check out any of my other videos. A lot of them are quite like this one. Thank you very much for watching. I'm DefinitelyOwen and I'll see you in the next video.